Hi everyone, this is my final check-in for the class. I just wanted to say thank you to all of you. It's been a pleasure teaching this class. I've really enjoyed getting to read your assignments and see you all grow as writers. A last couple of points for this sort of final lecture. One, the final online test is going to be available on Sunday at 8 a.m. So it will open at 8 a.m. It'll stay open until midnight at that night. So you can take it at any point on Sunday. You'll have an hour to do the test. It is 100 points. It's made up mostly of short questions. So questions that can be answered in like a sentence or two or three. And then it also has 2 essay questions. So you'll have to answer 2 questions about social policy or a social debate in a short paragraph. So you have to write 2 paragraphs. Each of those paragraphs is going to be worth 25 points. If you have any questions about it, look at the study guide, reach out, email me. It should be working fine. I've tested it a few times, but if you run into any problems, let me know. Last, make sure to keep working on your final essay. It's due next Saturday. You can turn it in at any point before that, but once Saturday ends, that's it. You can't turn it in later than that because that's the end of the semester. So if you have any questions or any concerns about these final 2 assignments, please reach out. Otherwise, good luck, and good luck finals week.